Hello everybody, welcome to YouTube channel Enrich Your Biology. So previously we did plant tissue and today we will do animal tissue. What is tissue? Tissue is cluster of cells. It is group of cells which are alike in configuration and they are grouped together to perform the specific same function. So all multicellular animals, all multicellular plants, they have tissues. In the single cell animal, just like amoeba, all the vital activities of life, they are performed in the single cell. That is reproduction, digestion, ingestion, respiration, all these, excretion as well. But in multicellular cell, there are millions of cells and group of cells are formed to perform the tissue which perform the different function. Plant tissues, they are different from the animal tissue. Plants are stationary, they are fixed, they can't move. So their tissue is mostly dead. Their cells are mostly dead. So they are protective and supportive in function. But in case of animals, most of the cells they are living, most of the tissues they are living. In multicellular organism, in the multicellular animals, the tissues, cells, they are grouped together to form the tissues, and tissues, they are grouped together to form the organs. Organs, they collectively form the organ system, just like digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, all these. So today we'll describe animal tissue. Animal tissue, there are four kinds. Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue, they are protective in function. Connective tissue, they connect the organs to the organs, muscles to the skin, all these. Muscular tissue, they help in locomotion and sport. And nervous tissue, they convey the messages from the brain to the all parts of the body. So today we will do epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue, epithelial tissue, they are formed of cells which are compactly arranged with thin membrane. Their cell membrane is very thin. They are compactly arranged. There is no intercellular space in between them. However, shunting substances is present between the two cells. These epithelial tissue, epithelial cells, they are present around the body organs. They underline the cavities of the body organs, and as well as blood vessels, you can say nerves, all these. So epithelial tissue, there are four kinds depending upon their structure and function. Simple epithelium, simple squamous epithelium, stratified squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, and cuboidal epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium, it is formed of single layer of cells. It is formed of single layer of cells. Cells are compactly arranged. Their membrane is thin. They cover the body organs. They form the outer lining of the body bosom. They also underline the body cavity in the underside of the organs, just like they are present in the blood vessels. They form the lining of blood vessels. They form the lining of alveoli. They are present in the lining of esophagus, in the lining of mouth, and these cells, they are selectively permeable and allow the movement of substances outside and inside, then from the cells to the inside the body or outside the body. These cells, they are protective in function, so they protect the organs as well as the internal lining. Then is stratified squamous epithelium. Stratified squamous epithelium, when the cells, simple squamous epithelium, they lie in the layers, in the strata, one above the other. To say they will look like this. If you put plate one on above the other, it will look like this. So they form the striations. That's why they are called as the stratified epithelium. That is, when epithelial cells, they are present in layers. They form a strata. So they are protective in function. They are present in the skin, and they protect the skin from wear and tear. Then is columnar epithelium. Columnar epithelium cells, they are long, pillar-like. They are long pillar-like. They are present in the intestine, villi of the intestine. They are present in the alveoli. Their function is absorptive. They help in absorption of digested food material in the intestine and oxygen in the alveoli. Columnar epithelium, sometimes in the respiratory tract, their protoplasm is extended into the projections which are called as the cilia. So this is called as ciliated columnar epithelium. Ciliated columnar epithelium, it helps in pushing forward the mucus. It also prevents the entry of the foreign material inside the body. So they are present in the respiratory tract. Sometimes this columnar epithelium, the cells, they secrete the secretions as well. So sometimes they are folded to form the glands. So that is called the glandular epithelium. What is the function of columnar epithelium? It is absorption as well as secretion. Then is cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium is present in the kidney tubules and ducts of salivary glands. They are sportive in function. However, some of the cells, they secrete secretions. Some of the cells, they are folded together to form the glands. So they are also glandular in function. They are also secretory in function. So cuboidal and sometimes columnar epithelium, they form the glands. So what is the function of cuboidal epithelium? They are sportive in function as well as secretory. So overall, what are the function of epithelium? Epithelium is protective, it is secretory, it is absorptive, it is epithelial cells, they are selectively permeable, and it helps in the movements of material across the cell in the body as well as outside. So, irrespective of their types, all epithelium cells, they have extracellular membrane that is called the basement membrane. It is formed by the fluid, the extracellular membrane. So this is all about epithelial tissue. That's all. Next time we will do with the connective tissue.